Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, a must-have for gamers, office users, and keyboard enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking for compact designs, RGB lighting, or superior typing performance, I've got you covered with the top 5 best mechanical keyboards. Let's jump right in. 1. MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. First up, we have the MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This ultra-compact keyboard features 68 keys and is perfect for those who love minimal setups. Its red switches ensure smooth and quiet typing, making it ideal for both gaming and office use. Plus, the black and gray aesthetic is super sleek. Pros: compact design, great for small desks. LED backlighting adds a stylish touch. Affordable and versatile. If you want a small but mighty keyboard, the MageGee is a fantastic option. 2. Redragon K668 RGB Gaming Keyboard. Next, we have the Redragon K668 RGB Gaming Keyboard. With 104 keys, extra hotkeys, and sound-absorbing foam, this keyboard offers a premium experience at a reasonable price. The hot swappable sockets and 2 sets of mixed-color keycaps let you customize your setup to your heart's content. Pros: hot swappable sockets for easy customization. Vibrant RGB lighting includes sound-absorbing foam for a quieter experience. For gamers who want flexibility and customization, the Redragon K668 is a solid pick. 3. AULA F2088 Typewriter-style Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Now let's talk about the AULA F2088 Typewriter-style Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard combines a retro punk aesthetic with modern functionality. Its blue switches provide a satisfying clicky feel, and the media control knob makes it easy to adjust volume or skip tracks. Pros: unique retro design with round keycaps, rainbow LED backlighting for a vibrant look, removable wrist rest for added comfort. If you want to make a bold statement on your desk, the AULA F2088 is a showstopper. At number 4, we have the SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This keyboard features per-key RGB lighting, an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, and an OLED smart display. Its hybrid blue switches give you the best of both worlds: tactile feedback with smooth performance. Pros: durable aluminum frame, customizable OLED display for game stats or animations, premium RGB lighting. For gamers who want advanced features and durability, the Apex 5 is a top-tier choice. 5. RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Finally, we have the RisoPhy Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. With 104 keys, RGB backlighting, and blue switches, this keyboard is designed for gamers and typists alike. Its spill-resistant design and anti-ghosting features ensure it's ready for intense gaming sessions. Pros: spill-resistant design for peace of mind, durable ABS keycaps, affordable price for a full-size mechanical keyboard. For budget-conscious gamers, the RisoPhy keyboard is a great value option. And there you have it, the top 5 best mechanical keyboards. Whether you're a gamer, a typist, or just someone looking for a great keyboard, there's something here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.